Roofy Floofy, there was a hair in the mashed potatoes, so we got our sides for free! Roofy Floofy and I had our whole future ahead of us. This is personal! A little boy playing spy. I didn't throw your husband into that rocket. He tripped and fell. Silence! This is my monologue. You took away my family, Agent 28. And now I'm gonna take away yours. Oh, that felt good! Au revoir, clouds! Never! I must have my revenge! Get off of the waterworks, you musclehead! You're leaking on me! Toodles! Enjoy the show!